guys, welcome back to my channel, and before we get started with today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And today, we're back with another slime vid. And I got this 2-pack of slime. It's pretty big. It comes with this cupcake slime, cookies and cream, this dragon fruit iced tea, which looks pretty cool, and then some grape soda pop, which I don't really like this one, but yeah. Today we're gonna be making the cupcake one, and yeah, it also brought some little cupcake tins so we can make some cupcakes. So I got a bowl and a mixer. I think they already come with sticks to mix it, so this is just in case. So I got my scissors right here, and now let me see if I can base this better. Hold on. Wait, actually, does that work? Yeah, I think that works. Okay, let's open. So it comes with all of this. Oh. This is for 6+. Wow. I'm definitely good. What if my screen was like this? That would actually be kind of cool. So, I'm going to put this one to the side. So this one is the Sweet Shop. And so it comes with cookie scented. Oh yeah, it does come with sticks. And it comes with some clay. Some squishy clay with sprinkles. I'm guessing this is vanilla. This is vanilla scented glue. This is also vanilla scented glue. They're just different. It comes with 2 activators, a measuring cup, wooden craft sticks, 2 plastic slimy gloop containers, rainbow sprinkles, round glitter, and instant snow. So, oh, and then one is cupcake scented. So this is the one we're making today. Confetti cupcake. We're making confetti cupcake. So let's open this up. Oh, another piece of tape. There we go. Ooh. So, it comes with instructions too. We're gonna need these. So this is what it looks like. This is what it comes with. And yeah, we're gonna be making this. Let me try to. Okay. So here it is. Nice, and it has a background too. It has ice cream, I think it is. But I just lay it the opposite way. And we'll put this over to the side. Alright. There's 2 layers. There's gonna be tape. Sure is tape. Okay. Let's see, other side? Yes, other side has tape on too. Alright. Okay. So, oh, this clay feels nice. Wow. Okay. So we're gonna, let me look at these instructions, but I'm guessing the colored one is for the cupcakes. So butter cookie and cookies and cream slime. Okay, confetti. Step 1, mix up your cloud in a disposable cup. Mix 15 ml of water and pour it in the entire fake snow package. Okay, let's see. A bunch of water bottles here. I'll just use this one. Since we don't have disposable cups, we'll just cut a water bottle. Then let me rinse this out. Okay, so this will be our disposable cup. And then, don't need this. Alright, so it says 15 millimeters. Okay, so let's see. 15's up to here. Let me fill this up. Oh, that was a lot. Way more than 15. Okay, have 15 millimeters of water. I'll just pour it in there, I guess. And it says, and pour in the entire fake snow package, okay? So we have the fake snow / instant snow. I'm just gonna cut it. And then I guess we just pour it in. Whoa! That's cool. Let's get started. Make sure your measuring cup is clean. Then measure 15 ml of warm water and pour it into a disposable cup. Guess we're gonna need another disposable cup. This works. Okay, we got another one. Alright. So warm water. Let's see. Oh, there. Perfect. Okay. So 15 millimeters. What says ml? ML. Okay. So I got this. I'm going to pour this in here. Should I mix it up? Oh, this is so cool. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay. Okay. And pour it into a disposable cup. Empty the red scented glue into the cup of warm water. Use your mixing stick two combined. Got this. How much? Okay. It just says empty, so I'm guessing we're gonna empty it. I will mix as we go. There's only one. Oh, there's two. Never mind. Okay. I'm just gonna do this. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, wow. Is it already starting to turn into slime? Okay, you know what? Time to take the, oh. Some glue got in my hand. Ugh. Time to open this, and I'm just gonna pour some in. Okay, let's mix. You're gonna get a little messy in here, but that's okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to add this whole thing. I think I am. Let's add this whole thing. Should I dump it? No. Come on. Wee. Ooh. Okay, this is still going. Okay, you know what? I think that's good. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick, rinse them off. Alright, hands are all clean. Okay, let's mix. I don't know why I had to add warm water, but okay. Okay. Step 4, let's activate. Pour 20 ml of slimy gloop activator a little at a time into the water and the glue solution. And mix with your mixing stick. Once the formed slimes, remove it from the cup. Once your slime forms, I got it backwards. Once your formed slimes. Okay, so we're gonna get one of these. These are cute, so it's 20 millimeters. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now I need to pour this little by little into this. Oh, it's already starting to form. Oh, yeah, look at that. Some more. This is how it's looking. I could have just used this, but okay, let's add some more. I'm just gonna take that off. This is becoming good. I think I'll just add the rest of it. Hopefully that doesn't mess it up. What is this? Maybe the instant snow will make it better. Okay, I'm just gonna pour this out of there. Oh, wow, it's sticky. I think I need some more activator. I'm just gonna add some more. I'm doing this over the sink. Okay, that kind of worked. So here it is now. This is already a fluffy cloud texture. I'm gonna add a little water to this because this is like really rubbery. Let's see. Hopefully a little water can fix this. Just have to form it in your hands. I'm gonna get a napkin. Ah. Okay, well, okay. Well, let's just try to add some instance now. Okay. Please don't make this worse. Just gonna go in there. What have I done? Maybe if I add some more glue. We'll fix you. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, please. Say something. Say something. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Ah. What is this? What is this? This wouldn't even make a good stress ball. Okay, you know what? Time to add the snow. I'm not folding this. You know what? Let's just... What is this? I think I made it wrong. Well, let's just try to maybe fix this. I don't think anything's gonna fix this. Okay. Should we try and make our cupcakes? Let's try. Again, I have cupcake tins. I'll just put a couple out. Okay. Then I will put this in here. And I guess they can make cute pretend cupcakes. But I'm definitely not going to play with this one. So here's this so far. Ah. Okay, this is looking alright. Maybe I'll look better with some sprinkles and some more like powdered sugar on top. Got this extra slime, I'm just gonna throw it back in there. Okay, now I'm I'm gonna add some more powdered sugar. You see, I'm gonna use a spoon. That's a lot. Just need a little. We'll make these cupcakes nice. Let me move this so you can see the cupcaking. Add a little bit of this on them. Alright, then sprinkles. Got these sprinkles. Just gonna open these and then carefully add some. Oh, and then the rest can go in there. Now again, a little bit of snow. Snow. It's got snow action pack. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, there. Okay, I'm gonna put some extra, okay. I'm gonna put some extra cupcake tins on here. Just so it stays sturdy. Oh! This cupcake. No, I can save you, cupcake, I think. Okay, this cupcake's fine. I guess. Have to be careful. Okay, and then this. Alright, let's see our cupcakes. So here is one. This actually doesn't look that bad. So yeah, I'll leave these in the fridge to like harden. Well, I'll leave them in the freezer to harden. And yeah, I will be doing the rest of these soon, so stay on the lookout for that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me fail. And if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell again so you can see me fail many, many more times. Bye!